Making chicken Francese today, and it's an Italian-American dish of chicken cutlets and then like a really buttery, lemony wine sauce. It's really simple. It's just pounded chicken cutlets and then you make a really buttery, lemony sauce, and it's just so good, and the chicken is like super, super tender. But what you do is you dredge it in some flour and then egg. There's no breadcrumb in this, and it just makes the chicken cutlets like super buttery and tender. It's so delicious. All right, let's see what these look like. Oh yeah, just 2 to 3 minutes per side, that's it. Chicken is off to the side. Now in the same pan, we're gonna put some garlic and saute that. Garlic looks great. We're gonna deglaze with some white wine. I'm using a Pinot Grigio, nice and dry and just really crisp. And we're just gonna use our spoon and just scrape off all those delicious bits. A cup of chicken stock and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm gonna do 1 whole lemon. Sauce has been simmering for a little bit, so now we're gonna add some butter and then just let the butter melt so it thickens the sauce. Sauce looks great, so now we're gonna put the chicken back into the sauce, let it finish cooking, let that sauce kind of get all over those chicken cutlets. Let's add some lemon slices and we'll add some fresh thyme. We are done. Chicken Francese looks fantastic. The sauce thickened, the lemons are nice and soft and tender. It looks amazing. We're just serving it with some really simple pasta, some Parmesan and black pepper. And that's dinner, Chicken Francese and some simple Parmesan pasta.